Galaxy Watch Ultra can also measure your ECG, and for that you have to go into the Samsung Health Monitor app and then select ECG and then follow the instructions in Samsung Health Monitor app on your watch. So now we have the phone here with us as well, and we'll get started, and it will show you how the ECG app works and all the information. And it's giving you a disclaimer here that the ECG app never looks for the signs of heart attack. Do not use this ECG app if you experience shortness of breath, chest pain or pressure, fainting, what you think might be heart attack. For that you need to contact the emergency services. And do not use the ECG app if you have an implanted pacemaker, implanted cardiac defibrillator, or other implanted electronic devices. So we'll go through all of this, and then we have to set up the wrist orientation, which is set to left. And then you have to follow all the instructions here. Open Samsung Health Monitor app and select ECG on your watch. Make sure the watch is snug and is on your left wrist, and rest your forearms on the table and lightly rest a fingertip on the home button for 30 seconds. So I'm going to do all that. And once it has taken your ECG, it will show you that there are no signs of atrial fibrillation, or if there are signs of atrial fibrillation. And then you can see your ECG on the phone. You can tap on it to go into a bit more detail. There is your average heart rate, and you can also share this report.